This Etsy shop made over 200k revenue within 1.5 years selling only mouse pads. Luckily for you, I'm gonna give you the full method for free. And this is called RCS Method and is composed of 3 main components: research, create, and sell. First, we will do a research. To do this, we will use a free tool and organic method. So we'll know what to sell in the mouse pads. It is important to do a proper research, otherwise your item won't be appear in the search results. Second, to beat our competitor, we'll see how to create a mouse pads in the same hot selling niche. And finally, sell your mouse pad on Etsy by creating a fully optimized product page. In case we haven't met before, my name is Rana and let's dive in. When it comes to research, we have to understand what makes the mousepad business successful. It's all about learning from the best, see what other top sellers are doing, and figure out how to do it even better. After looking at several stores, I've noticed that the best-selling mousepads usually fit into few categories, like custom personalized pads design or fit specific passion likes gaming, teaching, and artistic high-quality design. Understanding what to sell is just begin. Now, let's talk about the strategy to sell effectively. Think about the people who most likely to buy a mousepads. Obviously, who spend a lot of time on their computer, like gamer, video editor, a graphic designer, and software engineer, something like that, right? Alura is a free tool that can use for Etsy product and keyword research, and you can also spy on Etsy shop states like best-selling products, price strategies, policies, and so on. Let's use the keyword research tool under the research section. If you type mousepad, you will see all the details like search volumes, competition, and conversion rate and score. For this keyword, competition is a moderate. Now scroll down and here you will see the similar keywords. If you have a premium plan, you will be able to use this filter to sort the keywords by search volume, competition, sale, and so on. Believe me, it makes life much easier. Since I have a Alura professional plan, I can do much more than just keyword research. Once you find the product or keyword, let's proceed with the next letter C, which means create. First, we will create a design and then we will find a print-on-demand dropshipping supplier. To create a mousepad design, there are several tools available in the online market, free and paid. A free tool like Leonardo.ai, open the website and create a free account and launch their app. Now click on the image create button. Now you will see the website interface, which is pretty intuitive and easy to use. In this text box, you can type the prompt to create the mousepad design. You can type your own prompt or you can go to Prompt Hero website to get the prompt for your mousepad design. On Prompt Hero, create an account for free and log in. Select any category from here or you can search for any image style just by typing anything in this search box. When you find your image, open it and copy the prompt, or you can customize it however you like. Paste the prompt in Leonardo, select the model, select the number of images you want to generate. Next, select the image dimension from here, or you can use the advanced control to set the image height and width. And finally, you can click on the generate button to generate the image. But if you notice that it costs you 2 tokens for this generation. The best part is you will get 150 tokens every day from Leonardo. Anyways, click on the generate button and generate your image. If you're not satisfied with the image result from Leonardo, I've got another option for you. So this is the CRDOAI. Here, create an account and log in. With free account, here you also get 150 free credit for image generation. I realize seaart has way more feature than Leonardo. Anyways, to find the design for your mousepad, type the keyword in the search box and press enter. When you see the image similar to your desired design, open it and click on Remix. It will load the image generation interface with the same setting as that image has. All you need to do is type your own prompt or make some changes to the existing prompt and finally set the image height, width, and then click here to generate the image. Remember when I said seaart has way more feature than Leonardo? You can clearly see here on the left hand side, image to image generation, control net, and animate the images and so on. If you know a little bit about image generation or stable diffusion, these are the exact same features that you will get inside your stable diffusion web UI. Amazing, right? Anyways, let's move on. Once you got your design for your mousepads, it's time to proceed with the letter S, which is sell. Now we have to find a print-on-demand dropshipping supplier. Even though there are several print-on-demand dropshipping suppliers in the online market, luckily we got a Printify for all our fulfillment needs. So the first thing you want to do is you head over to the Printify and connect your Etsy shop. But wait, if you don't have an Etsy shop, create one using my referral link. If you use my referral link, we will both get 40 free listing as a bonus. Once you create your Etsy shop, connect it with Printify. To do this, sign up on Printify. On the next page, answer 8 questions. I'm gonna skip this. Once you're done with the questions, you'll land on the dashboard of Printify. And you wanna click on this button right here. Connect to Etsy, Shopify, etc. Now click on Connect to Etsy and you will see a pop-up window. And here scroll down and click on Grant Access. Now another pop-up window will appear which says congrats, you're connected an Etsy store. It is super important because it lets you tap into the automatic fulfillment feature, making your life a lot easier once you got your Etsy account linked up with Printify. Now click on the catalog and select Catalog Home, and here search for mousepad. I personally think that it is a good idea to add all those different types of mousepads into your Etsy shop that they have offered. This way you're giving your customer a plenty of choices. To upload your design, select one of the mousepads, scroll down and click Start Designing. In the next page, skip the tool. Now click on the Upload and select My Device. Now select your mousepad design and click Open. In the top section, you will see Fit to Placeholder and Fill to Placeholder. If you click on Fit to Placeholder, it's not what we want. Now click on Fill to Placeholder, so it fills all the gaps, and then click on Save Product. In the next page, click on Hide in Store under the product visibility. So it will send the product to the draft in your Etsy shop so that you can customize it later before publishing it. Right above that, you will see retail price, profit and profit margin, and so on. Now click on Select All. It will select all the product variation. Now if you scroll up, you can see the product title and description as well as the shipping option. You don't need to change anything from here, but you can change it from your Etsy shop. Now scroll down and click on Publish button and your product will be sent to your Etsy shop as a draft. Let's go to our Etsy shop and see if this product is really imported into our Etsy shop or not. On the Etsy homepage, click on the Shop Manager, and here you can see we got the product from Printify, and all you have to do is just complete your Etsy shop profile and start selling your mousepads. In a bonus, if you want to appear in search results, search for similar mousepad listing on Etsy. Look for the ones that are doing well organically without any ad. Take a good look at their title, especially first 4 letters. Those are the main focus keyword. After you checked out few examples and see what is working for them, go back to your listing and use what you have learned and tweak your title and the description. And we are not done yet. We also need to nail the tags. Tags are crucial for getting your listing show up in searches. Go back that listing that you were looking at, scroll all the way down. At the bottom you will find the tags and add all these tags into your listing, and you're done with your listing as well. So this is how you apply this method, RCS. And this is the one way to make money online. I have made several videos on this topic. You can also check out these 2 videos right here. Anyways, that being said, goodbye. Till then, I'll see you next time.